not really planned. I'm just here because I wanted to go somewhere else. Not in Cavite, not in Batangas, or in Laguna because I've roamed those places. Also, I was also in Rizal, Tagaytay, in different places. I want to go somewhere, something different. That's why I'm here in Lazada. Actually, ang gagawin ko lang naman dito ay wala akong gagawin dito. Kakain tayo. Other than that, not really familiar with this place. But I have a friend here. Near here. Not really near, but medyo near. So, medyo akits kahit papano. Kasi nga, syempre, takot pa din tayo na baka may mangyari sa atin. So, ayan, I'm here and I don't know. I just wanted to go somewhere else. So, I'm just here and like, maybe roam around the place. So, I'm just going to you're coming with me as I roam around the place because not that I'm awkward or anything, they don't know me at all, but I just want this to be a moment to be remembered because I'm here somewhere not familiar with you. So this is like the place that I don't know that, but it's kind of cute. Let's just roam around this. Later. To the terminal, which I'm not sure where it is, but let's discover. And I also get to roam around the area and also buy something. Hey, I also bought this one. It's cute. Oh my god, I'm spending so much money right now. Nandito ka na. Ay, nini mo?
Ano ba yan, live?
Nope, it's a video.
Hoy!
Ano? Ano?
Why?
Sabihin mo. Ayaw mo sabihin.
5!
5? 5 lang?
Oo.
Ay, 2 piso? Ay, mabibili ka na nun.
Ano ba?
Ano mabibilin mo?
5 lang.
Ano bibilin mo?
Kala tatay.
Ano bibilin mo?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola for 5? May ganun ba?
Oo.
O kulang lang pera mo? Dun sa bag, tingnan mo.
Coca-Cola, yung candy.
Ah, candy. Dun sa bag, tingnan mo.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No, ayaw dito ka lang.
May daga dyan. May daga.
Oh, may pera. May pera? Kunin mo. Kunin mo. Bilis ka masilaw, ha? Ikaw, pag binigyan ka ng pera, sasama ka kagad. Madre. Dali.
Ready, set, go.
Nabigat ka na. Trepa.
Sira, tali. Sira, tali mo.
Baliw ka ba, boy? Nadoli niya sa kamay yung lato-lato. Bago yan ah. Uy, matamaan ka niyan! Yan. Ganda pala.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Birthday ngayon ni Ani. My baby boy.
No. Ganda eh. Awatin mo, ay, awatin mo. Awatin mo. Awatin mo. Awatin mo. Awatin mo.
Awatin sila, awit mo.
Awatin.